Okay, so now we are going to talk about higher order derivatives in Derivatives Video 6. So a higher order derivative is basically when you are taking the derivative of a function over and over again. So taking derivative over and over again. Oftentimes if you use f of x to describe the position of something, position y at time x, then the derivative of y would tell you the velocity, and then the second derivative of y would tell you the acceleration. So y would equal position, y prime would equal velocity, and then y prime, double prime I guess, would equal acceleration. So that's just an example when you would use higher order derivatives. And so now, here is just a pattern. If f prime of x equals change in y over change in x, that's the first derivative. F double prime of x equals d squared y over d x squared, that's second derivative. F triple prime of x equals d cubed y over dx cubed, which is the third order derivative. And so as you see, there's a pattern here. F to the n of x is the same thing as d to the n of y over d to the x to the n. And that is the nth derivative. So now let's just look at an example. So find the fourth derivative of x cubed minus x squared plus x minus 1. So now, so the first derivative, okay, so let's say this is f of x. So the first derivative of f of x would be 3x squared minus 2x plus 1. Second derivative, f double prime of x, would be 6x minus 2. And then third derivative would just be 6. And the fourth derivative would be 0. So as you see, as you go further down, as the order of the derivatives gets higher, f n of x approaches 0. And I guess we can just do one more. I'm just gonna make one up. Let's say we have x to the fourth minus 2 over x. So the first order, and this would equal f of x. So the first order derivative would be 3x cubed, 4. 4x cubed. And let's rewrite this first. Sorry, this is kind of messy. X to the fourth minus 2x to the negative 1. So equals 4x to the third plus 2x to the negative 2. That's the first order. Second derivative would be 12x squared minus 4x to the negative 3. And I forgot to mention, I'm trying to find the fourth derivative. as I did previously. The third derivative would be 24x plus 12x to the negative 4. And then the fourth derivative, which you can also write as f4 of x equals 24 minus 48 x to the negative 5th. So yeah, that's how you find higher order derivatives. And that completes the series of videos. Thanks for watching.